We are builders. We are crafters. We are fighters. We are Bear Hill Shire.
So a few months back I forged these pair of hinges. These were the first hinges for a chest that I ever made. The problem though is that they are really thick and bulky. They stick out a lot on a chest. And if you want to sit on that, that's not going to be very comfortable. So I wasn't very pleased with their outcome. But then I tried again, and these hinges are much simpler, thinner, they're longer too, and not quite as protrusive. Bulky. That's the word. So they're low profile. If I wanted to improve this, what I would do is, see this tail, it does not connect to the main body. What I would do is forge weld this onto here. But I don't know how to forge weld yet. I haven't practiced enough. But this will do for now. Just wanted to show you guys basically the evolution in my blacksmithing skill, at least with hinges specifically. These were the first set of hinges that I ever made, and I tried to take the fancy route by doing little swirls and stuff, but like, they're chunky, they're heavy, and they're uneven. One is different from the other. This one closes or opens all the way. And, this one doesn't. You can't do it because of the swirl. And that swirl is kind of ugly. That swirl is also ugly, but better than that one. Meanwhile, I took the simplistic route with these. They are not only longer, but also thinner, not as bulky, and just some simple rings. And they're nice and small, they're not in the way. And they also, both of them, open all the way. Which is great for when you open up your chest and the door doesn't like get snagged. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with these.
This has been a production of Bear Hill Films.